All right, so for problem number 15, what we need to do, this is an intersection for sure. Remember I said last time, right here, sometimes if it's written like this and you have a less than and a less than, that's a compound inequality. So this is kind of fun. If it's written this way, this is kind of neat. You could do it all in one swoop, right? So instead of solving two inequalities, you could solve one compound together. So normally, what would we move away from the n? The 10, right? How would I do that? So I would subtract 10 here, but whatever I do on one side, I'd have to do here, but also I could do it here. That's kind of cool. So over here I get 45 is less than, these cancel, negative 9n less than positive 54, right? Is that right? Okay, now what do we do? Divide by negative 9. Totally leaving the yawn in the whole thing. So when I divide by a negative number, though, what do I have to do? Yeah, so I'm going to have to switch the signs this way. We will have to separate this stuff to see what we get. So what's 45 divided by negative 9? Negative 5, right? And then over here, what's this? 54 divided by negative 9 is negative 6, right? Okay, so I need to think n is greater than negative 6, but over here, I'm going to rearrange this as a separate thing. So I put n here. I'm going to put my negative 5 here. What does the alligator eat? No, the negative 5, right? So to graph this, I'm going to say open circle at negative 5. Open circle at negative 5, right? And any value less than. Over here, I have an open circle at negative 6, and I have less than, right? So this is actually the intersection between those two values. Does that make sense? And that's it. Let's crank through number 16 real quick. So I'm going to say negative 7 minus 7x is greater than 7. Let's solve that first. I'm going to add 7 to both sides. I get negative 7x is greater than 14, right? Divide by negative 7. Divide by negative 7. These negative 7's cancel, and I get x is greater than negative 2. Now I'm going to, yeah.
You divided by a negative.
You are absolutely right. You guys probably can't hear that, but I was just informed by a very intelligent student that when I divide by a negative, I have to flip the inequality symbol. Okay? Good catch. See, I told you Mr. Adams makes a mistake. I made a mistake first hour too, and they were laughing at me. Oh, I forget what I didn't write something. Or maybe I wrote down the right thing and said the wrong thing or something. I don't know. It's like you guys just sit there and wait. He thinks he's so smart. I'll catch him. That's okay. I'd rather you guys catch me and we do the right work and get the right answer. All right, so now for this one, I'm just going to add 5 to both sides, yeah? Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. That gives me 4x is greater than negative 12, yeah? Divide by 4. Divide by 4. X is greater than or equal to negative 3. Okay. So, open circle at 2. Oh, wait, this one's equal to. Man, I'm making all kinds of mistakes today, right? So this is an open circle here at 2, right? And I'm going less than, so I'm going this way. But not too far because I have a closed circle at -3. Okay? That's it on that one. I'll give you guys a second to write that down.